So I recently had an eye exam, and yeah, I was informed that my eyes are getting worse. I wasn't surprised. So, you know what that meant. I had to order glasses. I don't believe in paying for glasses from the eye doctor. They're way too expensive. And I'm too poor for that. Today we're going to do an unboxing and try on of my new glasses from Zenni Optical. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Ada. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, welcome, and please be sure to hit subscribe and the notification button so you don't miss when I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'll be able to see again. I have my glasses here. They just arrived in the mail from Zenni Optical. They have really affordable glasses, and they have so many cute options for super cheap. Like, I know a couple of these that I got were like under $10. I think I ordered them last week, and then they just, arrived today. So it's pretty quick. And it's super easy to order, and they have like a bunch of different options. If you go in there, they have a ton of options. You can get like ones that block out blue light. You can get like transition lenses. You can get anti-reflect, which I never get anti-reflect on mine because I'm cheap. So I usually don't get any extra stuff put on my glasses other than just what it comes with, which I think they come standard with, like the scratch resistant thing and something else. But yeah, I don't get any extras because I'm just cheap like that. So let's get to opening these and trying them on. Got it. Now that I can't see you guys, let's open these glasses and try them on so I can see again. And I will say the only thing that kind of bummed me out this time when I ordered was they didn't come in a box. They came in this recyclable bag, which I noticed, like, I felt it that one of the cases ended up popping open. So hopefully my glasses did not break, because then I'll have to figure out that situation. Because I've never had a situation like that with Zenni, so I don't know what that experience will be like. Alright, so I ordered 4 pair. So I'm just going to pull them out however they come. This is what the case looks like. It's just blue and says Zenni on it. And then it says like ZenniOptical.com on that side. And all of them come like this. And like a little baggie. They come with these cleaning cloths that I will undoubtedly lose as usual because I lose everything. So these are the first pair that I got. And they have, I don't know if you can be able to see that. But they have like really cute detailing on them. I thought they were really cute. I would try to get a couple different lens shapes. Let's get to trying these on. Oh my lord. Do we like these? Do we like these? Do I look smart? Alright. So, these are cute. On to the next ones. Oh, I would open these second. I'm so excited for these. Because these ones, I saw this style at my eye doctor's, but it was like almost $200 just for the frame, and I was like, I'm too poor to afford that, so I'll go elsewhere. So again, you get a cleaning cloth with every pair of glasses you get, and then I don't know why, but they only put plastic on one of the arms. These ones, I got some round lenses again, but this is like I think it's called tortoise shell. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh snap. I look goofy in these. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Now, let me show you why I got these ones. Okay? So, these ones were the most expensive ones I got, and I think they were like $35. I didn't get any extras added on. I just got them as they came. Oh my gosh. So, and of course I throw things. Alright. So, this is why I got these ones. Oh my gosh. It's like everything is sticking to me. And it is, oh my gosh, the plastic things just keep sticking. So it's because these ones are like a set. This was a set for $35. And you get these like sunglasses, right? And instead of being like the old school, they clip on and you can tell that they're clipped on and whatever. These are dope, right? Because they Velcro, or they don't Velcro. They are magnets. right? So you can just like keep this part in your car or just in the box, you know, like in the little case in your handbag or something. And when you go out into the sun, you could just, oh, here's the one that was opened. Oh, it would be this one. Come on. This one was the last one I carded, and honestly, it was because it was so pretty. More eyeglass cleaners that I will undoubtedly lose. Alright, I don't know why most of these are tortoiseshell. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why. That's just how I was feeling that day, I guess. But these were so pretty. I feel like the camera's not doing them any justice. But, yeah, so that's what they look like. Let's try them on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I love these. Just want to say, love them. Because they're so cute. I love the shape. I love the color. I just love these. And like honestly, like the blue that you see like on the outside of the frame, like that's what caught me. Because at first I looked at the red one, but then I saw these blue ones, and I'm like, I really like those blue ones. Final pair. Okay, what did I even order? I don't know. These might have been the ones that I got that were like ones that I had before. Oh yeah, they were. Oh, I don't know where those are right now. Okay, y'all don't judge me, because I have habits of just getting the same thing over and over, like if I go to a restaurant or anything like that. Creature of habit. So I just like things the same because it's calming to me. But yeah, but I switched up a little. I got these, and they are like the glasses that I already had, but I got them in a different color. The other ones I got were like, I think a blue or a gray, and these ones were taupe. So, ooh, these actually, you know what? These actually look good. Like, cause they like blend with my hair. I don't know, these look good. I'm not gonna lie, I like all my choices. I hope you guys like this video of me unboxing and trying on the glasses that I got from Zenni Optical. I highly recommend their site. I will link it down below. It's not sponsored. I don't get any type of thing. I really like the glasses that I've gotten from them over the years, and they have so many affordable options that even if you have a very tight budget, you can definitely afford to get a pair of eyeglasses, because eyeglasses are very important to those of us who need them to actually see on a day-to-day and not just for fashion. So, highly recommend their site. They're quick. They're, you know, I've never had any issues with them, you know, taking a long time or messing up my order or any type of customer service issues. So, highly recommend them. And I love all the glasses I got today. I'm so glad that I tried some new shapes and some new colors, because I'm very happy with what I got. Comment down below which pair of glasses you guys like the best. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe and the notification bell before you go, so that you don't miss next time I upload a video. Bye guys!